I decided to come up into the shade here away from the wind and try and just get this thing cooked, and I'll go back down there and enjoy my meal if I get it all done, because I actually need to make a little tiny fire there and transfer it to there. Righto. I'm hoping I can collect some of this dead stuff and it'll be enough for me to get a spark with my flint. Let's go have a look around, eh? Go, yes. Ow, 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 ow. Yes! We got fire, baby! Finally! Phew! Look at that! Get away, you little flies! Look at that, guys! Whew. Cheers! It's so creamy, and what the hell? This is so good.